What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Shoot Ride Live. My name is Joe, and I'm out here for some more magnet fishing today. I was gonna go out to a place on the other side of Estacada. I'm not feeling so great today, so I just came out here to Oregon City to a place that somebody at work had mentioned. It's kind of a little, I don't know, inlet right off the Clackamas River. I don't know how deep it is or if there really be anything here, but there's a dock, and you guys know how I love docks, so let me give you a shot of it here real quick. So we're just gonna head down to this dock and see if I catch anything. All right, see you soon. Yeah, so I'm down here on this dock ish thing, boathouse, floating, whatever it is. This wood is hella old and chintzy. I'm really surprised that they don't have this like locked off up here, but I feel like I'm on something. So I didn't catch anything. Here's my only gripe with this new magnet that I got. And I'm gonna have to contact Brute Magnets. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's got this coating that's just peeling off. Obviously that has nothing to do with the magnet. It's not the magnet, it's just some type of coating. And I don't know if that's meant to come off over time. This side's not doing it, it's just this side. I'm gonna contact Brute Magnets though and ask them about it. It's a little disconcerting. What's up, guys? So I moved to a different spot down here. We're down in Milwaukee now off McLaughlin. I'm literally on the street on a small overpass. This is Johnson Creek. I was gonna do it on the other side of the street, except there's some construction going on, and this is actually a good example of where I'd use the flat magnet. So as you can see, I've got my double-sided here, but because I'm at such a straighter angle going down, I'm using the flatter magnet, and I just dropped it in. I'm pretty sure I already have something. Yep, there's something on there. What is that? Pipe. Yeah, a piece of piping. It's been down there for a while. Yeah, sure did. What do we got here? Something big. That's a car stereo, friends. Hello. Turn up the volume. Boom, 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 boom. Just kidding. Cool. Sure that was stolen and thrown in there over time. Maybe there's a car down there too, and I just happened to rip that out of the car. Oh, something there. Oh, what do we got? What's that? Another piece of pipe? It's a cable. Another piece of piping. Been down there for quite a while. Getting a freaking workout today. Yep. Big old piece of rebar. Look at that. Alright. Oh, that's something else on there. lot better. This reminds me of the places where, you know, Magnet Fishing Addiction and Raven Girl and That's Brad and Just Ash and all those guys get to go with their cool bridges over where they are, across the pond from me. Drastic G, Blazing Magnets, all those guys. Oh shit, shoot. What is that? I have no idea what that is. It's magnetic though. Cool. There's something little on it. Hey, CO2 canister. That's my first one. I've seen a lot of other guys catch them on their channels, but that is my first gas tube. All right, sweet. I know there's something right in this area. Ooh, right there. You know? Man, this is great. Almost like every pull. Holy crap. Another piece of piping. I think a plumber got tired of correctly disposing of stuff and decided to bring it here. Screw, piece of wire. Let loose, baby. Damn it, not the magnet. I want to know what that is down there. Please enjoy this commercial break while we fix our rope. There's something. There's something. Just a piece of something. I catch a lot of somethings, you know that, guys? It's alright though. Catch is a catch. Am I right? That feels like there might be something on it, yep. Piece of rebar, screw, some rocks. You guys want some rocks? Somebody told me I was funny once. I was like, Grandma, stop. There's something, God, I keep connecting to something right here, but it doesn't, there we go. Yeah, it's on there. What is that? Handlebars? What? No shite. I wonder if the rest of the bike's down there. Huh. Cool. Another first. My clutch doesn't work. Just kidding. That's not a clutch on a bicycle. Just dabbing along. Just dab it on the bottom. Damn it, right there. I wonder if that's the rest of the bike. It won't come up though. Oh, wait a minute. Did I break it loose? No, of course not. Wait. I'm really wondering if that's the rest of that bike. see if I can get on him again. Come on. Juno, do you want to come up for me? Okay, you guys, so I got a different angle on it, and here's the deal. It's my magnet's on there now for sure. I can pull it up and I can feel it sink back down. So whatever it is moving. Holy shit, shite, holy crap, come on. It's moving. What the fuck? This is really heavy, you guys. Holy crap. I mean, really heavy. I'm not a little dude. Okay. Whatever this is. Oh, it's a freaking car door. I saw it for like 2 seconds, you guys. I'm not even kidding. I swear it's a car door. What the? Wait a minute. I went back down for the car door. Got another radio. Is deja vu? Deja vu. I've been in this place before. Huh. Maybe there really is a car down there. Alright guys, it's been like 20 minutes. I swear the car door let go like right here. And I can't find it. I can't get hooked on it. I don't know if maybe it's metal side down and so there's plastic in the way or what is going on. So I was gonna come this way. And now I'm on something here, something else. I mean, it has to be something else because this is heavy too, whatever the hell it is. Well, son of a, oh, that's, okay, this is kind of funny, guys, because I don't even have it on the magnet. Ooh. I got it hooked up in here. That is so funny. Look at this, has been in here so long that the spokes have completely rusted away on the wheels. That is insane. Wow. Man, that's an awesome catch, friends, but it is not my car door. I just can't find that damn door. Oh, there's something on there. Oh, seriously? Well, if that doesn't say it's probably a car part or car door or something, I don't know what does. That was almost a wreck. So anyways, look at Honda symbol. I don't know where the Honda that came off of, but alright, you guys, this is killing me. The battery on the GoPro died. I still haven't found the car door, but now I'm on something else that's big down here in the same spot. Please don't drop my phone. I'm on my phone right now. So anyways, I don't know if you can see the rope or not, but there's something else down there. So now at this point, all I can do is just take my phone out when I get something and do an update. But I still haven't found the car door, but I'm looking for it. I'm bound and determined to get something else out of here. I know I've gotten a lot already. I can't complain, okay? I'm not complaining, but I want that big car door. I want it. So I'm gonna try and get it. So it's been about an hour and a half since the last clip, and I can't get the car door. It's there, it has to be there, but I can't get a hold of it again. I'm thinking that maybe I got the metal side of it, and then when it fell off the magnet and hit the bottom, it flipped to where maybe the inside of the door is, where all the plastic and stuff is. But I'm done. I can't get any more. I'm dirty. Look at this. Look what I do for you guys. Covered in mud. Meh. Ugh. Anyways, but let's go ahead. I did find some more stuff after the GoPro battery died, so let's go ahead and take a look at everything, okay? All right, so let's take a look at this stuff. Sorry if it doesn't come through real well. I don't have the best background, but here's just a whole bunch of miscellaneous rebar and stuff. This actually right here is chrome trim that I almost guarantee came off of that door that I can't get off the bottom. There's one bottle cap right there, but that's just like miscellaneous bars. Let's see, bolt, Honda symbol. Weird that I found a car door and some car door trim and a Honda symbol. Crazy, huh? And then bottle opener, old school one. This is something. This is pretty cool. This is actually a jackhammer bit. That looks, I mean, if you clean it up, it can still be usable. I don't have a jackhammer though, but this one's definitely going to the garage. I could use that maybe for a chisel or something, sharpen that edge up real good if I needed to. This is a piece of something, some kind of tool. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. And then, let's see, this bike, which I think is hilarious. Again, it's been in there so long that the spokes just rusted out completely. And I didn't even catch this one with the magnet. If you missed it, the magnet got caught here and pulled it up. It's pretty neat. And then I got these big pieces. I got this fence stake, some piping, more larger rebar, a couple other pieces of pipe, this big piece of rebar, and then this is pretty funny, handlebars to a bike. And these are what I think are really funny right here. So I caught this one first, and then when the car door dropped off the magnet and I dropped the magnet back in immediately, this must have been hooked to the car door or something, because this got on the magnet, and I pulled this up right after the car door dropped off. And then after the GoPro died, I pulled this one up, an equalizer, an old school equalizer. This stuff's been here for a while. So those are the finds. Not bad, not bad at all. I'm actually really happy that I came down here. So that's it, everybody. Thank you for showing up and watching the video. I'm gonna go home and get this mud off my face, get cleaned up, do some editing. I probably won't get it all done today. I have so much footage from today to go through. It's gonna take a while, but for you, it's gonna be really fast. So anyways, once again, please subscribe, like, share my videos. You guys are all awesome. I can't do this without you, and I can't wait to see you again. Shoot, Ride, Live. I'm out!